Hi friends, Julia Harriet here, and today we're going to take out some old light fixtures and replace them with some really hip new ones because you know what? Lighting matters. And if you're like me, having the space that you spend a lot of your life in, your home, properly lit really makes a huge difference. It's not only that it's an aesthetic difference, it actually changes your emotional frame of mind in your space. And so it's transformative. So we're really gonna transform a couple bedrooms in my house simply by changing the light fixture. Okay, here we're coming in, looking at the fixture we have. Donald, what do you call this fixture?
It's a boob light
Yes, it's a classic boob light.
with nipple.
A nice nipple.
This is the new light that Julia bought, and I like it because it's a real low profile. It's also LED, and I usually like to get a 2700 Kelvin or a 3000 Kelvin, and that's the quality of the light. 2700 is like an Edison bulb. This is a little more blue to it. Easy to put in. They're inexpensive. I think this was about 50 bucks. The bulb should last a long time.
Delightful.
So here's the light. You can see it's got a very low profile. On the back side, the wires come through so you can connect to your outlet box there. And it's real important to get the black wire with the black wire, white wire with the white wire, and the ground wire with the ground. This opens up with these three little tabs. Gets rid of the cover of light. And then we just have the part that has the LED light bulbs
Oh, those are cool.
and the transformer.
Excellent.
So this is real light, easy to get up, easy to connect, and then this goes on afterwards.
Perfect. Rock and roll.
Great. The first thing you want to do is gently but firmly caress the boob, and then grab the nipple and twist counterclockwise. Actually, this is clockwise. I get turned upside down when I'm upside down. And then this just slips off, and you can get to the bulbs and the screws.
Very nice.
The next thing you want to do is locate where the fixture is attached to the outlet base. And this is a Phillips head. And there's usually two screws. You can just loosen them up. It just got painted in place. And it comes down easy like that. So this is fiberglass insulation, so you don't want to breathe out or get around your babies or anything. You pull the wires down after you've turned off the power. And then these orange things are called wire nuts. And they're what connect the loose end of wires together. So again, you go clockwise, unscrew those. And that's it, you're ready to put in the new one.
Hi, Craig here. So Don and Julia already took off the mount of the wall. Now I'm sure that they went down to the electrical panel, turned off the main breaker for this circuit. Now, don't tell anyone this, and you should not do this yourself. You can replace a light fixture while just having the light switch off, right here. The light switch right there. If you just turn off the light switch, you got no power to the light. But it's always safer just to turn off the whole breaker. So now I'm gonna install the fixture up to the ceiling. And I have my knee pads on, and I'm all ready for safety. Safety first. Okay.
Yeah, but where's your safety glasses, Craig? I think it's safer for all of us.
Here we go. Okay, I got my safety glasses on.
Okay.
Always a great thing. Okay.
Okay,
cool.
great.
And I can see what I'm doing, so that's nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks.
You
Thanks
ready?
a lot. I'm ready.
Okay, just get this. Or
Okay.
let's see here.
I'm ready. I'm a little worried, not really though, right?
Okay, let's just do a quick with me, real quick.
Okay.
With the power off, these wires should be able to touch. Oh, Craig, are you okay? I'm okay.
So this is a circuit breaker box. Now I know that some of you are like, well, duh, but others of you may have never opened this in your life. So if you come in, this is where you can see Ours is nicely labeled, which is really handy, but you can see which circuit you need to turn off.
Like I was saying, with the power off. Oh, now look. Oh, they can touch and do a little dance. It's fine.
I'm glad I have my safety goggles on.
I'm glad you have safety goggles on too. So that's why you always make sure that the power is off.
Yeah.
Because that blue spark you just saw is about 1500 degrees. It'll burn you real bad. Okay.
Scary.
Okay. Everything, yeah, okay, it's off. Thanks. Okay, here we go. So here, now that we know we have our power off, finally, we've got our ground, our neutral, which is the white wire, and our lead in here, lead power, our black wire. So I take my black wire here and I bring it on up. I like to twist them on there a little bit. I know there's been some debate about that. Some people are like, you don't need to twist, but most electricians I know, they like to twist. Get that on there, and you got to, you know, another thing too is picking out the correct size wire nut. You get the really big ones, they're not going to hold little wires. Okay, you've got small wires that are light fixture, you need to kind of have the smaller one to hold it. Now don't let go of that because it's not being supported very much right now. Then I come over here and I support it, holding it this way, grab my wire nut that I got in my pocket, turn this around here, get my neutrals together.
Let me know if you want me to hold it too.
Okay, thank you.
We want to show people that it's really safe and fun to do it yourself.
Yeah, super safe.
Well, because you're not an idiot. Said with love.
Well, you get what you pay for, Julia. And then
it's this one. Yeah.
Okay.
And that little baby.
Actually, let me put on my safety glasses. Also known as so I can see. I'll take my screwdriver and do the final tightening just with the screwdriver so we don't overdrive. I always check it to make sure the light works so I don't have to take the whole glass off and everything. These are really simple, so that's nice. Here we go. 1, 2. Alright, it's beautiful. You can leave the cover off and in the middle of the night you think you're like looking at, you know,
like the aliens are coming to get you. Yes.
In the galaxy.
Oh, I love aliens. Yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
That was exciting.
Okay. Here we go. These are super simple. Wow. Look at this. Pop it on.
Okay. So what are you doing, Craig?
I'm just making sure that the covers are nice and tight.
Great.
I'm putting on the little covers this way, and this one goes that way.
Ah, yes.
Nice and whoa!
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Aw.
Because it's like full moon action.
Well, I like the full moon.
I know, so do I. Okay, there
Okay,
we
great.
go.
Job well done.
One down.
Let there be light.
35 more to go.
So I'm currently standing in my 14-year-old's room, and as you saw, we installed a light in the upstairs bedroom, but now I'm going to install another one of these light fixtures, the same fixture in the downstairs bedroom, and see how it really changes the light in this space, because as you can see, Mirabelle has a lot of lovely things, many collections, and the space currently, it's pretty dark. We live in the woods, and so especially this time of year, there isn't a lot of natural light that's coming in. And so I'm excited to see what the space looks like when we really brighten it up. So just like Dawn showed us, I unscrewed the screws from the old light fixture, and then it just dropped right down after I turned it. This one was a lot easier than the one upstairs, so it must have had less paint involved. So I'm gonna bring you up. And here we go. So here's the old fixture about to be taken off. So now all I'm doing is installing the new light fixture. So these screws, one on each side, just need to go all the way back in. And you can see how it fits in the larger hole. That's where the head goes in first, and then we tighten it down in the part that it slides into. That's smaller, so that the whole thing doesn't fall off of the ceiling onto your head. So we got it all screwed into place. And then all I have to do is put the cover on. And now you can see that the quality of light in Mirabelle's room is substantially better and brighter and really cleaner too. I really love the wattage and the Kelvin of this light. It really makes everything so clear and clean. I've never seen Mirabelle's collections look so good. Right.